Hey everybody, Johan Magnuson here, Big Sweet Barbecue.
And I'm Josh today with Smoked Out Barbecue.
And today we're having a smoked meatloaf throwdown on the Ledge Prime from Green Mountain Grill. So what are you cooking, Josh?
Since I live in Arizona, I'm gonna do a spin on the southwestern meatloaf. What are you doing?
I'm gonna do a smoked lamb meatloaf with a spicy yogurt and a cucumber tomato salad.
That sounds good.
So let's get cooking.
For the smoked meatloaf, I use 1 pound ground beef, 1 pound ground pork, 1 pound ground veal, 2 eggs, 1/3 cup chopped onions, 1 can fire roasted chilies, 1 can fire roasted jalapenos, 1 cup diced pepper jack cheese cubes, 1/4 cup milk, 3/4 cup crushed crackers, 1/4 cup El Pato tomato sauce, 2 to 3 chopped chipotles in adobo, 3 to 4 garlic cloves minced, and I salt and pepper the meat to taste. For the meatloaf, I'm using the Green Mountain Ledge, and I'm setting it to 325 degrees. Once the smoker is up to temp, I'm placing the meatloafs on a grill mat on the upper racks. After the meatloaf cooks for 1 hour at 325 degrees, I'm gonna bump the temperature to 350 or 375 degrees. Once the meatloaf hits about 140 degrees, I'll bump the temperature one more time to 400 degrees. Once the meatloaf has reached the 160 degree mark, I'll remove it from the smoker and rest it for a minimum of 10 minutes. For the meatloaf sauce, I combine 1/4 cup El Pato sauce, 1 cup sour cream, 2 tablespoons cotija cheese, chopped cilantro, salt and pepper with minced garlic. I slice the meatloaf and drizzle it with the meatloaf sauce. That's how we cook smoked southwestern meatloaf on the Green Mountain Grill's Ledge.
The first thing that we want to do is combine 1 egg, 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs, and 2 tablespoons of milk in a small bowl. Mix it and set it aside. In a large mixing bowl, add 2 pounds of ground lamb. Then you want to add 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil into the mix. Next, we're gonna add 1 small onion that we finely chopped and sauteed. Then we're gonna add 4 garlic cloves that's been minced. And we're also gonna add 1/4 cup of finely chopped mint. Now it's time to zest 1 lemon, and you wanna save the lemon for later. Then we're gonna add 3 tablespoons of sun-dried tomatoes that we finely chopped. Next, we're gonna add a spice mix of ground coriander, ground cumin, ground oregano, a little bit of salt, and cayenne pepper. Then we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of our Big Sweet Barbecue Badass Burger Boost. And last but not least, we're gonna add the breadcrumb mix. Then we want to form the mixture into a nice looking loaf, and then we're going to place this loaf on a Green Mountain Grill G mat. These things are awesome. You can cook up to 450 degrees on them, and they're easy to clean in the dishwasher. You want to heat the Green Mountain Grill to 350 degrees using the Texas blend. Now you want to smoke the lamb loaf in the GMG until it reaches an inner temperature of 130 degrees Fahrenheit. When it reaches 130 degrees, you want to spray it with a little bit of duck fat. Increase the temperature in the grill to 450 degrees and cook the meatloaf until we get an inner temperature of 160 degrees. For the spiced yogurt, you want to mix 1.5 cup of Greek yogurt, 2 tablespoons of finely chopped mint, a spice mix of cumin, coriander, garlic powder with 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. Then you want to stir this and set aside. For the cucumber and tomato salad, you want to add 1 cucumber, peel and with the seeds removed, finely diced to a bowl. Then you want to add 2 plum tomatoes that we peeled and removed the seeds. Then we're going to add 2 tablespoons of chopped parsley, a little bit of our Big Sweet Barbecue Badass Veggie Boost. You want to squeeze 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. Next, we're going to season with salt and freshly ground black pepper. Add 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. Then you want to stir this thoroughly and set aside.
And that's how you make a smoked southwestern meatloaf
And a smoked lamb meatloaf
on the Ledge by Green Mountain Grills.
Happy grilling.